Kate here. Last year I purchased a new gas pool heater, and when I had the gas guy come to install the pool heater, we realized that my gas line was not to code. So in order to install the new pool heater, which of course I wanted, I had to dig a 30-foot long trench that was about 18 inches deep to meet code. So if you have to dig any sort of a trench, then watch this quick video. Hopefully you'll get some tips from it. Here's a list of the tools I used right here. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe below. You can also follow me on Instagram at KDA_Designs. Thank you for watching.